Your hair is literally starving for the six kitchen staple hiding in your pantry right now. This exact combination stops stubborn breakage and creates an instant shine after just one wash. Have you ever looked at your hair and felt like no matter what you do, it still feels dry, weak, or keeps breaking? That was honestly me for a very long time ago, until I started paying attention to what my hair actually needed. That is the protein mask that I'm going to show you while we are unlocking an exclusive hair protein mask made of banana, avocado, egg, honey, coconut, and olive oil. Let's go. Okay, I know what you are thinking. It looks like a breakfast gone wrong, but honestly, my hair hasn't felt this strong in months. I used to spend a fortune on those tiny, very luxurious hair masks, but I realized I was just paying for the smell and the fancy jar. This is the real deal protein mask, just 4 ingredients. Total kitchen ready style, but the results, they are kind of insane. Here is the lineup. We've got one very ripe banana, the uglier and sportier the better. That is your moisture. The 2 eggs, that is the protein your hair is actually made of. Then, two secret weapon, which is 1 tablespoonful of honey to lock in the water and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to keep everything smooth. That's it. No chemicals you can't pronounce. Now, pay attention because this is where people mess up. Don't just mash this banana with a fork unless you want to spend 3 hours picking banana crumbs out of your hair. Trust me, being there, you have to blend it. You want it as smooth as silk ribbon before the eggs even touch it. Stop scrolling, your kitchen is about to completely change your hair game. Watch till the end. Here is the roster for the ultimate hair recovery. We are using 1 ripe avocado for those fatty acids, 1 banana for elasticity, and 2 eggs for that essential protein heat. To lock it all, we are doing a power trio, 1 tablespoon each of honey, olive oil, and coconut oil. It's like multivitamins for your follicles. If you take one thing away from this video, let it be this: blend your solids first. If you leave even a tiny piece of avocado or banana, we'll be picking it out of your hair for days. We want a texture so smooth, very smooth. It looks like expensive store-bought conditioner. Then we whisk in our eggs and oils. The olive oil treats the scalp, the coconut oil penetrates the hair shaft, and the honey is our humectant. It literally grabs moisture from the air and shoves it into your hair. Stir it until this perfect creamy custard. Once you have blended your avocado and banana into that perfect smooth, chunk-free base, it is time for the magic touch. Aside in a separate small bowl, you just want to crack your 2 whole eggs and thoroughly whisk them together with 1 tablespoon of each of honey, olive oil, and coconut oil. Those are our carrier oils. Okay? This golden liquid mixture essentially acts as hyper-concentrated shot of hair vitamins. When you pour it into your fruit puree, the eggs immediately supply a massive dose of natural protein for repairing damage and stop hair breakage. Meanwhile, the olive conditions the scalp and coconut oil deeply penetrates the hair shaft to prevent moisture loss. Then, honey locks it all in to give your hair a crazy mirror-like shine. One thing I have learned is that healthy hair doesn't happen overnight, my dear. It's really about consistency, patience, and creating routine your hair responds well to. Just set a routine and never forget to nourish your hair with a vitamin. That is the true magic. Make sure that you follow me along because I'll be sharing more routines that actually fit into real life. Now applying the mask section by section, starting from the roots and working down to the end. Try to focus on driest or weakest part of your hair. After that, cover your hair with a shower cap and leave the mask on about 30 to 45 minutes. Then rinse with a cool water and with a shampoo after. After using this mask, the hair usually feels softer, more manageable, and deeply nourished. I personally like using this treatment once every 1 or 2 weeks because too much protein can make the hair feel stiffy. Balance is very important. Your hair is going to feel stronger immediately. If you are struggling with a breakage or just want that glass-like shine, this is your sign to go raid your pantry. Let me know in the comments how your hair feels after the first wash. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY beauty that actually works. See you in the next one. Love you, my lovely queen.